and I'm going to show you guys how to open up the hidden files in your file explorers. So this is for Windows 11. I think Windows 10 is probably the same premise, but yet again, I'm only doing this for Windows 11. So if you go to the file explorer at the bottom, should open up a file explorer there, and then from there, at the top, there should be 3 dots here. See more? You can go to options, and then once you go to options, you'll go to view. Then once you go to view, it should be here, hidden files and folders. You'll click on show hidden files, folders, and drives. So you can hit apply. And so basically what that does is you'll be able to see all your hidden files. So the folders that have this hidden folder here, basically that's what you'll see. Most importantly, to get to your like AppData and things like that. But yeah, so that's how you get to your file explorer. If you have any other questions, or if you want another video made, just yeah, let me know in the comment section. All right, let's go. Let's get it.